Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make entire containers clickable in Elementor. This is a powerful feature that lets you turn any section of your page into a clickable link, making it much easier for visitors to navigate your site without hunting for tiny buttons. First, head over to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll need to locate the page you want to work on. Navigate to Pages, then select All Pages from the menu. Browse through your list, find the specific page you want to edit, and click Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor editor where you can make all your design changes. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, locate the container you want to make clickable on your page. At the top center of that container, you'll see a 6 dots icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to all the container settings and customization options. Once you've clicked the 6 dots, look over to the left panel where all your editing options appear. Scroll down until you reach the layout section, then expand additional options. This is where the magic happens. In the additional options area, you'll see an HTML tag drop-down menu. Click on it and select A from the list. By choosing the A tag, you're telling Elementor to treat this entire container as a hyperlink element. As soon as you select A new link field will appear right below the HTML tag drop-down. Click into this field and enter your target URL where you want the container to redirect visitors when they click on it. If you need to use a dynamic link instead of a static URL, click the dynamic icon next to the link field and paste your dynamic link there. Here's an optional step that gives you more control over how the link behaves. Still in the Layout tab, click the Link Options button. This opens additional settings where you can choose to have the link open in a new window, which keeps visitors on your site while opening the destination in a new tab. You can also add a nofollow attribute if you're linking to external content and don't want to pass SEO value to that page. Finally, once you're happy with all your settings, look at the upper right corner of the page where you'll see the Publish button. Right next to it, click Save Options, then select View Page. This will save your changes and let you preview the page to test that your clickable container is working exactly as intended. And that's it. You've successfully made an entire container clickable in Elementor, creating a more intuitive user experience for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.